Erectile dysfunction, or ED, is a common medical condition affecting millions of men worldwide. It doesn't discriminate based on age, ethnicity, or background, making it a truly global issue. The impact of ED extends far beyond the physical symptoms. It can have a significant impact on a man's quality of life, affecting his mental and emotional well-being. ED is often associated with feelings of embarrassment, shame, and low self-esteem. These emotions can be overwhelming and can prevent men from seeking the help they need. This can lead to relationship problems and emotional distress. Partners may feel neglected or unloved, and the strain can cause significant tension in a relationship. The inability to achieve or maintain an erection sufficient for sexual intercourse is the hallmark of ED. This condition can be a source of great frustration and can affect a man's confidence and self-worth. This can be a frustrating and isolating experience for men. The sense of isolation can be compounded by the stigma surrounding ED, making it difficult for men to open up about their struggles. Despite its prevalence, many men hesitate to seek help due to stigma. The fear of being judged or ridiculed can be a significant barrier to getting the necessary treatment. The causes of ED are varied. They can be physical, psychological, or a combination of both. Physical factors include conditions like heart disease, diabetes, high blood pressure, and obesity. These health issues can affect blood flow and nerve function, leading to ED. Psychological factors like stress, anxiety, and depression can also contribute to ED. Mental health plays a crucial role in sexual function, and emotional distress can significantly impact a man's ability to perform. Many men experience temporary ED due to fatigue or alcohol consumption. These instances are usually short-lived and resolve on their own. However, persistent ED can signal an underlying health issue. It is important to address these concerns with a healthcare professional to rule out any serious conditions. It is crucial to understand that ED is treatable. With the right approach, men can regain their confidence and improve their quality of life. With advances in medical science, there are now various treatment options available. These range from medications to lifestyle changes and even surgical procedures. Medications like Viagra and Cialis have been game changers for many men, providing a reliable solution to ED. Lifestyle changes, such as improving diet, exercising regularly, and reducing stress, can also have a positive impact. In more severe cases, surgical options like penile implants may be considered. The key is to seek help and explore the options available. No man should have to suffer in silence. By addressing ED openly and proactively, men can take control of their health and well-being. In a groundbreaking development, scientists at the South China University of Technology have created the world's first 3D-printed penis implant. This pioneering achievement marks a significant milestone in the field of medical science and bioengineering. This innovative technology holds immense promise for men suffering from erectile dysfunction, a condition that affects millions of men worldwide. Erectile dysfunction, or ED, can have profound impacts on a man's quality of life, affecting not only physical health but also emotional and psychological well-being. The advent of this 3D-printed implant could potentially revolutionize the treatment of ED. Traditional treatments for erectile dysfunction include medications, vacuum erection devices, and surgical implants, each with its own set of limitations and potential side effects. The research team, led by Professor Wang, has been at the forefront of bioengineering. Their innovative approach combines cutting-edge 3D printing technology with advanced medical research to create solutions that were previously thought to be impossible. Their focus has been on developing novel solutions for reconstructive surgery, particularly in areas where traditional methods have fallen short. The ability to create custom implants tailored to the specific needs of individual patients represents a significant advancement in personalized medicine. This breakthrough is a testament to their dedication and expertise in the field. The team's relentless pursuit of innovation and excellence has paved the way for new possibilities in medical treatment and patient care. The 3D-printed implant is designed to mimic the function of the corpus cavernosum, the spongy tissue in the penis responsible for achieving and maintaining an erection. This design ensures that the implant can provide a natural and effective solution for men with ED. The corpus cavernosum plays a crucial role in the erectile process by filling with blood and expanding, which leads to an erection. By replicating this function, the 3D-printed implant offers a promising alternative to existing treatments. The implant is made from a biocompatible material that is well tolerated by the body. This means that the risk of rejection or adverse reactions is minimized, making the implant a safer option for patients. This development signifies a paradigm shift in the way we approach erectile dysfunction. It not only provides a new treatment option, but also opens the door to further advancements in the field of sexual health and reconstructive surgery. It opens up new avenues for treatment and offers hope for a permanent solution. As research continues and the technology is refined, the potential for improving the lives of men with ED is immense. This breakthrough represents a beacon of hope for many, promising a future where erectile dysfunction can be effectively managed and treated with innovative solutions. The corpus cavernosum is the key to understanding how erections work. This spongy tissue runs along the length of the penis. When a man becomes aroused, the brain sends signals to the nerves in the penis. These signals cause the blood vessels in the corpus cavernosum to relax and widen. This allows blood to flow into the penis, filling the spaces within the corpus cavernosum. As the tissue fills with blood, it expands, resulting in an erection. Erectile dysfunction occurs when there is a problem with this intricate process. This can be due to a variety of factors that affect blood flow or nerve function. The 3D-printed implant aims to address this by directly replacing the function of the corpus cavernosum. Section 4. Crafting a solution. The design and technology behind the implant. The three-dimensional printed penis implant is a marvel of bioengineering. It is meticulously crafted using a specialized three-dimensional printing technique. This technique allows for the creation of complex structures with high precision. The implant is made from a biocompatible material, such as a hydrogel. Hydrogels are water-based polymers that closely resemble the properties of natural tissues. This makes them ideal for use in medical implants. The three-dimensional printing process allows for the creation of a porous structure. This mimics the natural architecture of the corpus cavernosum. This porous structure is crucial for allowing blood vessels and nerves to grow into the implant. This integration is essential for the implant to function properly and provide long-term success. Section 5. Promising results. Animal testing and its outcomes. In this section, we delve into the groundbreaking advancements and the promising outcomes of animal testing, particularly focusing on the development of a revolutionary medical device. The three-dimensional printed penis implant has shown impressive results in preclinical trials. This innovative device, created using cutting-edge 3D printing technology, represents a significant leap forward in medical science. Researchers at the South China University of Technology have successfully implanted the device in rabbits and pigs. These animals were chosen due to their anatomical and physiological similarities to humans, making them ideal subjects for this type of research. These animals were chosen for their anatomical similarities to humans. The anatomical models of both animals and humans were meticulously compared to ensure the accuracy and effectiveness of the implants. The results of these animal studies have been highly encouraging. Post-surgery, the animals were observed to move freely and exhibit normal behavior, indicating a successful implantation process. The implants were well tolerated, with no signs of rejection or adverse reactions. Regular veterinary checkups confirmed the health and well-being of the animals, further validating the success of the procedure. Moreover, the implant successfully restored erectile function in the animals. This was evidenced by the improved mobility and active behavior of the animals post-surgery. This demonstrates the potential of this technology to translate to humans. The researchers are optimistic that these promising results in animals will pave the way for successful human clinical trials. The researchers monitored the animals closely for several weeks after implantation. This rigorous monitoring was crucial to ensure the long-term success and safety of the implants. They observed significant improvements in erectile function, including increased rigidity and duration of erections. These observations were meticulously recorded and analyzed to provide comprehensive data on the effectiveness of the implants. These findings paved the way for human clinical trials in the near future. The researchers are now preparing to transition from animal studies to human trials, with the hope that this innovative technology will soon be available